Welcome this video title Transforming Your Space with Deep Wall Mounted Shelf. Introducing when it comes to home design and organizations, well mounted shelf are a versatile and practical solution. Not only do when provide adding storage space, but then also add a touch of space to your wall instead of purchasing pro made shading. Why not embark on a reward do it yourself project to create custom wall mounted shelf that fit your space perfect. We will guess you throw that percent of your owner wall mounted shelf material needs before trying into the project. Get the necessary material. Most of through image can be easiest found at your loading hardware store. Wooden board. Select board of your perfect size and thing need combo. Choose include pen or a plywood. Step by step. Yes. Design and panel. Bringing by depth on the size and design of your shaft. Consider the available wall space and the intended use of the shaft by a ring design and talk to delete maintain the log with away of the board